In the realm of regional politics, the leadership roles assumed by nations can significantly sway the course of diplomatic and economic relationships. Today, the spotlight turns to the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, a pivotal regional bloc that finds itself at a crossroads due to recent developments in Zimbabwe. The Southern African Development Community has made a critical decision that Zimbabwe's president, Emmerson Mnangagwa, will not assume the chairmanship of the bloc on the 17th of August 2024. This decision comes in light of a comprehensive report by the SADC Electoral Observation Mission, which concluded that the recent elections in Zimbabwe fell short of the revised SADC guidelines and principles of a democratic election established in 2021. Sources within SADC have disclosed SADC cannot allow a leader emerging from a flawed electoral process to assume such a significant position as the chairmanship. This stance underscores the bloc's commitment to upholding democratic principles within its member states. The decision is not just about adherence to democratic protocols, but also about the broader implications for SADC's international relationships, particularly with strategic partners in the United States and Europe. These partners are closely monitoring how SADC manages its internal affairs, especially in cases where electoral integrity is questioned. Adding complexity to the situation, opposition leaders in Zimbabwe, like Nelson Chamisa, have shifted their strategies from demanding fresh elections to seeking dialogue facilitated by SADC. However, sources reiterate that these political maneuvers will not alter SADC's stance on the legitimacy of the Zimbabwean elections. The final verdict on this matter is expected to be announced by SADC by the 30th of June 2024. This decision by SADC not to allow President Mnangagwa to assume the chairmanship is pivotal. It sends a clear message about the bloc's stance on governance and electoral integrity. Moving forward, this will likely influence not only Zimbabwe's political landscape, but also its relations within the region. As regional dynamics continue to evolve, the impact of this decision will resonate beyond the borders of Zimbabwe, affecting perceptions, alliances, and strategies within the Southern African Development Community. This moment serves as a testament to the complex interplay of national interests, regional solidarity, and international expectations in shaping the path toward democratic governance in Southern Africa.